Howdy ho, guys and gals. Jeff King here, back again in the Den of Tools, and we are at Lowe's today because we're going to show you what you should be buying at Big Blue this December. And Christmas trees are the first thing on the topic. The second you walk in the door, you know it's the Christmas season. Of course, one of my favorite gets here is the extension cords, the holiday extension cords. Great deals on those. But Christmas trees, they've got a great selection of Christmas trees, all sorts of stuff, the all-white, the multicolor, pre-lit, the all-white pre-lit. We've got the Santa and his helpers here. But look at this absolute unit of a tree. This thing is insane. You know, if Home Depot wins at Halloween, and they really do with the giant skeleton guy and stuff, then Lowe's definitely is taking home the Christmas cap. Now, one thing I thought was odd was walking in here, right next to the Christmas stuff, we got clothing. It felt like I was walking into a Tractor Supply, Murdoch's, you know, one of these ranch kind of stores, because I was stunned to see this. I don't know if they're going to expand it, if that's going to go away after the holidays, but one thing we did hear was that there would be a pet center, a la PetSmart kind of thing here at the front, and here it is. I can't believe this is actually true. I mean, my canine friends would totally love this kind of thing, but the real question is it going to stay that small? Is it going to get bigger? I don't know. Of course, many of the deals here are carryovers from Black Fridays, and that's going to go all the way through the holidays, maybe even into January, as we see them clearing stuff down. And I think once we pass Christmas, the prices on these might actually drop some. But we covered most of this in the Black Friday stuff, so I don't want to rehash it. But this skill deal at $129, that's definitely one you want to consider. Of course, they've got the miter saw stand and the miter saw there. We talked about those before. The bits, there's a great selection of Cobalt bits in here. I don't know if they're the best selection. There's some DeWalt ones coming in at $10 better. The ratcheting screwdriver there is pretty good. The bucket, what do you call that thing? The bucket bag or whatever. We got the tool set here for $100. We got the 3 crescent wrenches, adjustable wrenches, the spider blades, always a great deal. This, however, I think people have been asking about, what about the air compressor? I've been looking for the pancake air compressor, the Metabo HPT. This is kind of a tier 2 product, not quite pro, more of a value prosumer to value pro kind of level. I think this is just the one you want to get at $200 if you're looking for that pancake compressor. Again, more skill saw blades. Linux definitely always overlooked for all the great stuff that they have. We got some Dremel stuff there. Of course, the Metabo HPT combo for $150. Now here's that Craftsman kids toy that uses your Craftsman batteries. Even my 11-year-old son that doesn't seem like a good idea, because he understands that batteries are consumables. Do you understand that? All right, here we go. We got some more. We've got levels, we got lasers, we got tie-down straps. That's a nice deal on those tie-down straps there for $16. How about this? We got some Weehaw here. That's nice to see in store. That's a great pickup right there. We got some more Cobalt stuff here. We got some of the Bosch cordless. That's a nice one if you're looking in that 12-volt series. There's a great, some great ones there. But that's that multi-tool. I think that's the 18-volt, though. That's a good one. Now we got the gloves. That's always a good deal. 3M eye protection's not bad. These bits, now we're looking at $15, $16, $10. Better buy than that Cobalt stuff we were seeing before. These hats, though, they're just super basic trucker style hats. They feel really cheap, and I'm sorry, why am I paying $17 to advertise for DeWalt? They should be throwing that in free with a tool. Maybe that's just the way I think. Anyway, of course, we got all the home automation, home security kind of stuff on sale. That's always something to find at any of these stores over the holidays. I don't know if I'd be buying those at Lowe's, though. Energizer batteries, we had a ton of battery stuff. We got some Coast lights there. I like Coast. I know a lot of people are kind of anti-Coast. Armor All, you always got to pick up pretty much a pack of that every year. Look at this. We got more clothing, $9.98 on that. We got some chocolates and some other stuff, last minute gift ideas. The Flex, you can know what's next, right? Anyway, $200 on the Craftsman table saw. That'd be a pass for me. The miter saw is not bad, but here's what I really want to talk about. I've been saying I'm kind of down on the Craftsman V20, but the V20 RP, that's their new brushless. They're basically like DeWalt Junior. If you're gonna go red, you're gonna go Craftsman. I say try to go for the RP if you can, at least for the core tools or the tools that really need it. You know, that recip saw, the circ saw, the grinder. You definitely want to go brushless on those, okay? We got some other stuff here, a Craftsman tool set. We talked about that one for $45. That's not a bad set. The classic Craftsman screwdrivers, no longer made in the USA, so why bother? Anyway, we got DeWalt. I got to tell you, DeWalt has been killing it. Here we go. Look at these bit sets. $13, $13, $20, $25. That's like a 4-pack, I think, on that one. Oh, no, there's the 4-pack right there for $25. That's a fantastic deal right there. And, of course, look at these. That's a great deal. But, again, that's the same deal from Black Friday we talked about before. Really bummed this year there weren't more skill deals. What do we got? We got a drill bit sets for $10. We saw one combo set for the skill stuff. I was hoping to see more. We got the battery daddy for $20. Those massagers there, $40. That's a nice gift here. Alien pre-cut tape. I don't get it. Explain it to me, somebody. Again, we got batteries here. We got Rayovac. We got Duracell. We got Energizer. Lots of great top-tier batteries at good sales. Probably a good choice to stock up for the year. But boy, we talked about driving the Cadillac. Here it is, guys. Talked about snowblowers before. Look at that. Metal where you need it, plastic where you don't. All the power, 56 volt. That's the one you want to get. Now, if you want to step down into the cobalt, you're looking 40 volt. That's going to be light-duty snow, dry, fluffy snow. The new Craftsman toolboxes. Boy, look, soft close drawers. This one's better than the other ones I've seen, but man, they put a real premium on that Craftsman name, don't they? I don't feel that the oomph is there, the bang goes along with the buck. The rolling toolboxes, they're getting better. I got some information on those coming out here soon. I was stunned to see this. Canon, Stack-On, tons of good lock and steel over there. Of course, the Viper boxes, I don't really care for those. I think they're overpriced. Look at this. The Lucky Hunter, your full freezer. The Hunter who means business, the mid-size freezer. And then the small freezer, I guess, for the vegetarian out there. That's kind of me this year. I didn't do too well. And on the way out the door, this made me sad. Pre-cut Norwegian-style lumber or fire pits or whatever. Anyway, that's all we got from Lowe's today. I don't know. I kind of feel like they fell down on the job a bit. What do you think? I think there was better deals all around, probably over at Home Depot. Harbor Freight had some good ones. There were some good deals at Lowe's, but maybe not as many standout deals as we've seen in years past. Anyway, don't forget to chomp the old like button, smash that subscribe, ring the bell on the way out. You all have a very Merry Christmas. Take care, God bless, and as always, shine on.